Okay, the caramel has cooked for over an hour, and now we are going to flavor it and take it off the heat and put it on the table. And the caramel, as you recall, has a very good flavor because of the evaporated milk that gives it a terrific flavor, and we're going to add flavor to it as well. And it's very hot, so we use a machine to lift it for safety purposes. And that's where the caramel is going to be going right now. So we line the machine up, and it uses hydraulics and lifts the batch. And now the sides of the kettle are scraped, and you can see it's still boiling. And then here goes the flavor. And the flavor boils. And now we're going to stir the flavor and the caramel together. And you can see all of the boiling. And we're scraping the caramel around, making sure everything's well mixed. And here comes the caramel over the table. Brian's at the controls. And Mike and Brian are going to go on the side. And here it comes. And the aroma is fabulous. You've got a multiplicity of flavors, the milk, the flavor that we added, the sugar, and all provides a terrific eating experience. Now the caramel's going to cool, and it will be cut later. Okay, now we see Brian putting sugar in this kettle, and the kettle already has corn syrup in it. And what's going to happen is this will be a batch of frappe, which is a whipped ingredient that we use in our creams. And that's its primary function, is to provide airiness in the cream. So it's going on the same stove we used for the caramel. And now they're also going to put corn syrup in the stainless steel kettle. And that corn syrup, along with the egg whites, is going to provide the airiness to this product, this frappe. Now, there's invert sugar that Brian just added, and that makes our batch complete. And now we're going to put the stainless steel kettle on the Hobart mixer, and it's locked in place. And we're going to put the whip in place, add the water, and raise the kettle and close the guard. And now the corn syrup, the water are being mixed. Okay, now Brian is going to open the guard and add egg whites. And that again will provide the airiness that we need, the aeration that we need. One thing I learned about tempering chocolate is time, activity, and temperature. And that's the same here. As you can see, the ingredients that were separate are now coming together. And this will provide the base for what Mike over here is cooking. That will go into the frappe, and you will see in a few minutes how everything will rise up. Okay, we have a two-part batch here, and this is almost ready in the boiling, and it is ready. And Mike's removing the thermometer. And you can see it's plenty hot. And now it's going to be wheeled over to the mixer. And as it's poured in, you'll see the frappe take shape. And while we were waiting for this to cook, the frappe rose to almost to the top of the stainless steel kettle. And they're putting it in very, very slowly so they do not overheat the egg. And so this way we have a very nice light confection that is used in our creams. All chocolate must be in some kind of package, and in this area on our packing line we put it into boxes. And Nina, Joanne, Ellen, Jim, and Ross are all packing, and we take the candies that come in these stock boxes that have anywhere from 4 to 12 pounds of candy depending on their size, putting in a consumer package of anywhere from 5 ounces to 5 pounds so that somebody can take them home and give them as a gift and have a presentable, pretty package to give. And we pride ourselves in that our assortments has a nice variety of chocolates. It has nuts, nougats, caramels, meltaways, and creams, so that everybody gets something they like, hopefully. And if not, we have about 150 kinds of chocolates in the retail store where they can actually pick precisely what they want. And to make sure that everybody gets a fair shake, we have a digital scale that's inspected by the state of Pennsylvania and ensures the proper weight. And over here, these boxes are put on a cart. They're going to be sealed, And right now, this is a package design that we did about 5 years ago, and we're very proud of it. It reflects the fruits, the nuts, and everything that's in the package. Just about everything. We're in the warehouse now, and Joyce puts together orders, and she's got an order in her hand that she's going to pick. And here we have some of our finished products on pallets, and we have a rack system where we enumerate everything in the warehouse. We have it cataloged by location, and we have orders ready to ship out. We have empty boxes that are going to be filled with chocolates, and we use a combination of pallets and shelf storage in this area. And here are some Christmas items ready to be shipped. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the factory. And I'm here holding a couple of items that you didn't see made, but are great gift items and great for your own enjoyment. Our chocolate-coated popcorn, and we pop everything here. It's got a terrific taste. And these delicious graham cracker chocolate-coated and decorated pieces. And as we look here, we've got many varied molds, milk chocolate molds. Some are decorated, some aren't, and in milk and dark chocolate. And we have a terrific centerpiece, the chocolate turkey, and that's become a tradition for many families at the holidays. And you can see also the pretzels that you saw decorated in the back. Here's a little different design on the rods and the twists. And there's a chocolate apple as well. And here are more pretzels decorated with pecans. And we have over 100 different chocolates in our showcases. All the way from half-dipped apricots to nougats, caramels, creams, many kinds of melt-aways, and some of these are decorated for the holidays as well. And right now I'm standing in front of the box chocolates that you saw being packed. And these are available from 5 ounces to 5 pounds, as we said earlier. I want to thank you all for coming to see us, and I appreciate the time you spent watching the program. And you're welcome to come at either of our 2 locations in Boardman, Ohio, or Hermitage, Pennsylvania. And our website is phillyc.com. That's PHILLYC.com. Again, thanks for joining us. It was great having you here, and look forward to seeing you.